Hey guys, welcome to Live Blogger. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to choose a perfect keyword for your blog. So let's get started. Choosing a perfect keyword is one of the most important part of SEO and content optimization. Increasing traffic to your blog is first priority. And by choosing a perfect keyword, you will be able to attract the targeted audience. There is always a risk in choosing a targeted niche keyword and it requires a lot of effort. Ultimately, we need to be careful while choosing the right keyword. So we will discuss the 5 simple steps that will help you to choosing the right keyword. The first step is always think from the reader's perspective. First of all, you'll have to identify your targeted audience. Put yourself in a place of the readers and then create a list of keywords what you will search on Google if you wanted to search your product or services or your blog. You can also listen to the opinions of your friends and family member and find out which keyword they will use to search your product or services. The second step is to always study your competitors. Always make a list of your competitors, then go through their website and study what keywords they are targeting. Read all of their articles and also see their meta tags. This will help you to find the right keywords that they are using to give reach to their website. By studying your competitors and their website, you'll get a wide range of ideas of high competitive keywords and also you'll get to improve yourself. The third step is to understand the long tail keyword. A long tail keyword is a keyword that has more than 2 or 3 words and it is very special as they are more focused on the niche. Now let's see why long tail keyword is valuable. The first reason is the long tail keyword has low competition. When the word comes to SEO, then long tail keyword is less competitive than short tail keywords. Because long tail keywords are valuable for business who wants their content to get rank on organic Google searches. But if you are using a long tail keyword, you'll get less CPC, that is cost per click, because of less competition. The second reason is the long tail keyword has high conversion rate. This keyword is not only longer but they are more special. It is very useful for online stores. For example, let's take a keyword diet. If someone is searching for diet, then he's probably trying to learn about diet, which means they are not here for purchasing anything. But at the same time, if someone is searching for a long tail keyword like diet supplements, then they are much closer to purchasing. The third reason is long tail keyword increases the chances of your website to get more reach. If anyone searches for a long tail keyword, then modern Google search results are far more customized according to the age, location and interest, etc. This means if 2 different persons entering the same search keyword, but they both will get different results. Long tail keywords can help you to optimize your website for various categories of searches because they are more special. The fourth step is to use tools for keyword research. With the use of keyword research tool, you can easily collect the data on keyword volume, trends, and you can also see which keyword have higher competition related to your niche. There are some free keyword research tools which you can easily use to find a perfect keyword. The fifth and the most important step is to analyze the results. This is very important step because after all the research, do not forget to monitor the keyword which you have selected and analyze their result. Because trending keyword is usually followed by your competitors. Never forget to use your keyword whenever it is possible. And always add your keywords into your blog post, social media post and on your website content. Because the more you use your keywords in your content, the easier it will become for you to catch your targeted audience. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you want us to keep posting such useful content related to blogging and YouTube, then please do not forget to leave a like, comment and do subscribe to our channel.